In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the flashlight to the control center on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we're going to do is open the control center. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and you'll see all the quick access controls appear. Once the control center is open, look toward the top left corner and tap on the plus icon. This will bring up a menu where you can add additional controls to your control center. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Add a Control. This will show a list of all the available controls that you can include in your control center for quick access. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find flashlight. Once you see it, tap on flashlight to add it to your control center. After that, you'll notice it appears alongside the other icons whenever you swipe down, so you can quickly turn the flashlight on or off. If at any point you want to remove the flashlight from your control center, you can do that too. Open the control center again, and above the flashlight icon you'll see a small minus icon. Tap on that minus icon and it will remove the flashlight from your control center. You can repeat this process any time to add it back or remove it depending on your preference. And that's basically it. You just swipe down to open the control center, tap the plus icon, choose add a control, search for flashlight and tap it to add it, or tap the minus icon above it to remove it. So that's how you add or remove the flashlight to the control center on an iPhone.